Thank you very much for the UAE government and also the rulers of the Emirates, President, Vice President of the UAE, Prime Minister of the UAE, and all the ministers in the country. And because we are doing a business in this country, because of their help or their respect, we are actually doing our business. And we thank you very much for all the success in the future, and we wish all the success and all the vision, whatever it is, will come true of our Sheikh Said or Nahyan or the Sheikh Mohammed, who are having the vision that all the success will come true.
منازلها إلا محب زايد أسسها واليوث وراها داروا على الدانات 7 أبد إلا دار زايد لا تقرب حماها لا تقرب منازلها إلا محب زايد أسسها واليوث وراها داروا على الدانات 7 أبد نحنا شعوب لها نفدى ثراها نبذل الغالي لها دوم ونهب نحنا شعوب لها نفدى ثراها نبذل الغالي لها دوم ونهب تاريخ لا تقرب منازلها إلا محب زايد أسسها واليوم وراها
Welcome everyone with your program Pearls of Yunnan, who invade the most successful story and person here in UAE. Today from Dubai City with Aras Group. Today our interview with Mr. Kisi Babu, the businessman and the owner of this group. Welcome, Mr.
Thank you.
Well, can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Kisi Babu, Aras Medical or Aras Group company's director. And the managing partner of the company, and we have we got around 11 organization under Aras Group.
We want to speak about your first step here in UAE. How many years have you here in this country?
I started in 1976 August 4th, around 5 o'clock I landed here. During that time there was the Ramadan timing, and it was so hot and temperature is too high. Those days I came here and landed.
When you come here to this country, what the work that you do it for the first step, first period?
Actually, if I told I am an engineer, mechanical engineer, and I'm specialized in design. Before I coming here, it's almost 2 to 3 years time. I was in one of the company called Glasgow, from UK-based company in India. From that, I had another opportunity to Atlas Copco as a trainee. Then I got there is one Mangrove Fertilizer and Chemicals Limited. All these companies actually we are working, and we are in the construction of the projects and the factories. That experience I got that when I came here, I was working in the company called Montreal SA Paris as the design engineer in the mechanical engineering section. Then after that I got the opportunity in the gas project in Abu Dhabi. The consultant called Bechtel. It's a Mitsubishi Corporation from Japan, and they were doing the project for Gasco for the Abu Dhabi company, Abu Dhabi the government. There was a consultant as well as the company called Floor International. They were the engineers. We were working under the engineers with the company called BOC, British Oxygen Company. Almost 6 years we were working there. After that, I was working with the medical division.
From the beginning, the first step in work here in UAE, what's the challenge for you?
Actually, I started as I taken the employment from the organization. Still, whatever I told you that from the gas project to come to the hospital engineering. I was the design for the almost 90% of the hospital in the UAE, as well as I am the operational manager for the Middle East area like Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Muscat, all this Middle East area we are the operation manager. Therefore, this we had a very good experience from the area. Actually, this company where in 1987 there was a recession. That time the company were closed. After closing the company, that day they were asking to the sponsor, is it possible to take the company to run? But that time they were not able to run the organization. They said they don't want to run the organization, therefore we are going to close the company. But luckily what has happened that I was asking the development manager, okay, if this is the opportunity, can I run this organization? Therefore they agreed from the management from the UK, company called British Oxygen Company. They told that yes, you are able to start to operating. Therefore they give me the letter of guarantee from the BOC or British Oxygen Company from India, UK to here. Therefore, we started the operation from there because we got the support from the company from UK. Also, same time, I got my gratuity, leave, salary, ticket, and everything. Whatever the facility we are having it, we got the opportunity to start together with the two the organization. This is the way I started.
So, Mr. Kisi, we want to know more details about the Aras Group, the service, the facility of this group.
Aras Group of companies formed because we wanted to make the business not only here, it's in the Middle East, Africa and India and many other areas we wanted to work, because this is a special gas system which is using for the patient all over the hospital, all over the area which we are doing. We are making the latest standard. One is HTM 0201 standard or American standard or European standard. We are making this medical and laboratory gas system for all of the hospitals in the UAE or anywhere in the world. But which is using American standard is using, also British standard is using, also European standard is using. We are the only one company having the total facilities can provide it to the hospitals in the Middle East, Africa and also in the UAE. This is the difference between the other companies and our company. We are because of the corona patient is needed oxygen, because earlier days any hospital which is they need only 1 liter to 2 liter or maximum 5 or 15 liter per oxygen. Now it is actually because of the corona, saturation rate of the oxygen is getting reduced. You need to have a minimum 95 to 98% is the saturation level is to be kept. But this is one of the best system which we are providing oxygen to the patient in all over the area here in the Middle East or any places. We are giving the oxygen facilities medical gas system facilities to the patient. Therefore, we can say we are the lifesaver for the human beings in anywhere in this country.
So, Mr. You know that any successful story or a good businessman have a strategy for work from the beginning. This strategy also is very important to be with a good team for work. So now your team, I want to talk about who you choose this person, the strategy of work, how you do this two important thing.
Okay. Actually, if you want to lead a business, you should know, or I should know myself that what business you are doing. If you are or if the people who are an engineer or a doctor, the doctor can run the hospital, engineer can run the services to that hospital. Similarly, I am the one actually have the mechanical engineering experience, because I started my mechanical engineering from age of 4. Probably that is the history which I can tell you to everyone who are actually listening this video or TV, because my father is a mechanical engineer in the steam turbine operator, working in the sugar factory in India, the place called Alappuzha district, the Pulikkad. That is one of the biggest factory in India or in the Kerala state, having the sugar processing factory. Those places my father were working. From that day onwards, when I remember that when I started around 4 years, 5 years, my family or my brother and my sister were actually going to give a food to my father during the shift period. Then I was searching every area that what is happening there. From there onwards, I learned is how the engineering. From my age of 4, we started looking at the factory, almost 200 to 300 hectare land, which is occupied by the sugar factory. That area we had a freedom to go everywhere, every processing from the sugar factory to processing the sugar and the packing and everything. Therefore, myself is go around everywhere and we'll see what it is. From there up to we can from 4 years, when you are talking about like 1958 onwards to 73, myself were visiting every day or alternate days or in a weekly. Therefore, we got the knowledge of what is engineering, because my father was working in the one area, other side is an engineering department. We always go there and find out what actually going on. This way we started. But after that, because my father's vision is to become children should be an engineers or something else. But we myself went to the engineering, mechanical engineering design. Then after that, I got the opportunity to work with the many companies, international companies in India, 2 or 3 companies. After that, I was taken the training. Then I came here. I was working the oil field, which is already there is a photo is there, gas project and refineries, 6 years. From there, I started to come to the medical division, because that company itself is transferred me from the industrial engineering to medical engineering. From that day onwards till today, I am running my business, which I am telling that if I know the system, I know the engineering, if I know the design, what we supposed to do, if we know everything, definitely you can run the business smoothly. And one more thing is that how can you do the business with one person? That's not possible. You need another support team is required.
Of course, yeah.
That support team is very nice people are with me, but in many people are actually coming and learning from us and then going and starting as a competition, but not successfully they are doing that, because they are not the owner of that organization. They are working with the other organization. But for me, what the success is that because I am the owner, I am the leader of this group. Therefore, in every corner, I am looking at what is happening. What is even not only the design stage, supplier chain. What is to we have to bring it, what we have to assembly. Therefore, we have offices, we have a design department, we got a workshop, we got warehouses, we got the facilities of whatever the work we can do, we are doing that. Or not only that, now we are going to open our manufacturing facilities in the UAE, because we are taking the seriously, we are looking at that. Because of the corona, as far as I know, it's not going to finish in within 1 year or 2 years, because it's going to be for maybe we have to live with that. That's whatever the lockdown, whatever the problems are happening in any other places, like we are bringing the equipment from USA, we are bringing the item from UK, we are bringing the item from France, we are bringing item from Germany. But all over the places there is a lockdown is happening. Sometimes the delay is there. Therefore, it's actually is happening from 2019 onwards. Therefore, we have decided we are manufacturing the product in the UAE. We are producing, supply, installation, testing, commissioning, handing over and everything we are doing, and also we are doing the operation maintenance. From our side itself, we got almost 200 employees are working under our organization with a different level. Therefore, we are able to do that. Also, we are increasing these facilities, because we are trying to start the manufacturing facilities in the coming year. I mean, we are going to finish it. Most probably, we are going to inaugurate that our system manufacturing facilities in November 26th of 2021.
Mr. Kisi Babu, after this experience here in UAE and this big story, also successful story in the business, what's your motivation message for all young businessmen and women?
Actually, the young businessman, if you wanted to grow, first of all, you should, from where you are starting, you must have some aim. It to be either to be, you should have the dream. I mean, if you have a dream, means you must be you should be a successful man. Definitely, you must have a dream. Not only a small, you have a big dream. When you are dreaming, that dream will come true. That's when you can work the way how you want to be successful. Definitely, that you can do your own initiative. You have to learn many things in your childhood itself. Probably you can make a selection according to your wish. Maybe you are doing some mechanical jobs, or you are doing some repair works. Then I am sure that you will become an engineer. If you are doing something, they're playing cards, then you will be another type of maybe actor. This is the way you know what exactly your children are doing, or a childhood they are doing. The way that is they are growing, you have to give them a permission, or give that opportunity to that man or a girl or boy. Give that opportunity, then they will become a successful either businessman or an actor, or whatever the way that they are growing. That's what I want to tell the people, that you have to be ambition, you have to have a dream, then you can become whatever you wish to do.
Mm-hmm. So now we need from your side, Mr. Message for UAE, for leaders and Sheikh here in this country.
Okay. If you want to become a businessman, definitely you have to follow the rules and regulations. Also, you have to obey the country rules and regulations. You have to respect the rulers. You have to respect the president. You have to respect the vice president or the prime minister, or who are actually the rulers in this country. You have to respect. That's what you should do. I am following the rules and regulations strictly. We don't do anything wrong things in the country, and also you have to respect the rules and regulations of the labor law, because we are working the health department. Therefore, we are respecting the Ministry of Health, Not only that, we are doing a Ministry of Infrastructure. Whatever the government organizations, whatever the departments, we are following accordingly. Like we are importing the products, therefore we have to respect and obey the rules and regulations of the customs clearing. And also we are doing installation, and also that we are following this. Therefore we have to have the municipality approval, that we have to respect the government. Which are the departments is following, which are the department we have to work. Definitely we have to respect all that higher authorities. But we must thanks to all the rulers, government organization, we have to respect that. That's what our personal opinion about us.
So thank you so much, Mr. Kisi Babu. We are so happy to meet you today, like a great example of a businessman in UAE.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much for this, all the team. We must say thank you very much.
أنا هالة إدريس، المشرفة العامة بآراس جروب. آراس جروب هي مجموعة شركات بمجموعة وحدة، هي آراس جروب. آراس بتقدم كل خدمات الطبية، بتدعم كل مستشفيات حكومة الدولة. عندنا طاقم كامل من المهندسين. طبعا نحن أول شغلة بنعمل تمديد شبكات الغازات الطبية بالمستشفيات، بالإضافة كمان إلى منتوجات تانية شو بتحتاج غرف العمليات. وآراس نفس المجموعة كمان عندنا مجموعة تانية بتدعم العيادات الخاصة بالدولة. عندك مستشفيات، عندك العيادات مثلا عيادات الأسنان شو بتحتاج من متطلبات، عندنا سيلز كامل بيقوم بتوريد وتجهيز العيادة. بالإضافة كمان إلى عيادات التجميل كمان شو بتحتاج من معدات كاملة، كمان عندنا سيلز بيقوم بالخدمات. بالإضافة كمان خدمات الأفراد، عندنا نحن هلا موقع الشروم الجديد، كل المستلزمات الطبية اللي بيحتاجها الفرد كمان بنقدم الخدمات الكاملة. بالإضافة كمان خدمة الفرد بالنسبة للشوروم، كل المعدات الموجودة اللي عندنا من الميديكال للديسبوزل كلها لها ضمانات موثقة من وزارة الصحة، شهادات كلها موثقة. طبعا هيدا أكيد بتخدم الفرد اللي بده يجي مثلا لعنا، بدنا نقدم له اكيد بده يكون ضامن يعني هالشيء، يكون انه تمام، انه بده يستعمل، بده يكون متاكد مثلا من هالبرودكت اوكي تمام ولا مش تمام. فالحمد لله نحن كل ما امتلكه يعني موجود شو ما بيخدم الفرد، الحمد لله انه كله موثق من وزاره الصحه.
Everyone, thank you so much. See you next week with Peers of Union.